The website Budget Plus Plus is widely known budgeting website that is capable of assisting, advising, and analyzing financial capability of the user. It gives the user proper understanding on what is happening on their money while also giving an advice on how it can manage their finances. There are two components on this website. The first one is an introductory of Budget Plus Plus. In here, you can view different tabs containing information about the website, on how the website works, on how the budgeting works, what are its beneficiaries, tips, and guide regarding to the subject of money, contact information about the developers, and a built-in special calculator for assessing your needs, wants, and savings. The second component of the website, or rather the main component of the website, is the in-depth dashboard, which graphically interprets information on the user. After you log in, you can see first numeric graphs and charts, which serves as guidance for your money. There is also the navigator bar that contains 3 tabs. The first one is the budget, which is the first step for creating your plan. On this part, the website will let the user create a budget name for your budget plan. Input a string or starting date and ending date, which leads you to choose on what kind of commodity or material that your plan focuses into. For example, if you want to track your money because you want to buy a car, then the name of your plan is related on cars. The date is all about your preferences on how long do you want us to track on your money. Then the material or the subject of the plan focuses into which on this example is the car. The second one is the timeline, or which is known Budget Plus Plus timeline. On this part, the user will input his financial information in order for us to manage, track, and oversee the money that enters and exits in your wallet. For example, if you click Add, you will see multiple tabs where you can input information to the website. Income, in here you can add on where you are receiving your money. Expenses is where you spend and divide your money. And the setting is where you can get rid or add category for your income and expenses. After you enter all the information, you can see the overview of how the expenses affects your income and expenses, and how much are left after you spend the money. It may give you a brief perspective on how it corresponds for the budget plan you created. But more graphically and statistically information, the overview tab is here for the user, which can give you in-depth and insight of how your money is circulated to your wallet and to your expenses. The overview tab is here for the user to deliver these accurate graphs and charts. On overview, the graphs will show more and more information as the time goes on. And little by little, the user will have a sense and perspective of financing and budgeting, which is what one of the website aim for. For the user to be more cautious and at the same time manage his financial life productively in order for the user to achieve his or her budget plan. This overview will reset every month. And that is how the parts of the website Budget++ works. It has many features and functionality provided for its user. Feel free to use, no subscription required. It was developed by Team Spectra